Now, Channel 3 Early Warning Weather.
All right, National Weather Service from Boston and New York did their surveys across Connecticut today and determined that there were 4 tornadoes from the cold front that came through on yesterday that gave us some EF0s and also an EF1 tornado. Now, it's exceptionally rare to get tornadoes in November. We should be talking about snow, not so much this. And the reason why it's tough, period, to get tornadoes in Connecticut is because we usually do not have enough instability and wind shear at the same time, but we had a ton of wind shear on Saturday with this cold front, and that led to a quasi-linear convective system. So little supercells were able to form within that line that came through on Saturday. So Cheshire started things off 3:30 in the afternoon with maximum wind gusts of 75 miles per hour, and that path was 3.5 miles. Now keep in mind that each of these tornadoes only lasted from 2 to 6 minutes. They were quick EF0s. These are what we would traditionally think of with this kind of a system that came through yesterday. They would be quick spin-up tornadoes, but nonetheless, 85 mile per hour max winds from that tornado in Branford. EF0 at 3:44. Fast forward to Plainfield at 4:48. That's when we had a gust of 80 miles per hour with that tornado. And then we had the one in Stonington at 4:54. Both Plainfield and Stonington tornadoes were able to get over into Rhode Island. This one rated EF1 tornado with 90 mile per hour max wind gusts. And I think that the ocean air was able to help bring that condensation funnel down and last a little bit longer with that one. And we saw just all the right parameters in eastern Connecticut to get some of those tornadoes to actually get in contact with the ground. So some scary stuff out there. Glad no one was hurt with those tornadoes that came through yesterday. So fast forward to the rest of the week, we're going to be looking at much more traditional November weather. The week is going to start off with breezy and chilly conditions for us. We'll be looking at temperatures in the 40s for those highs, and then we'll get to a midweek warm up. So on Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking at temperatures getting into the 50s and the 60s. That's awesome. So looking forward to that. I think Thursday is overall going to be our favorite day of the week, even though we're looking at the rain on Thursday. So it's going to happen after dark, but on Thursday, we get the 60s, so we can put away the coat, but you'll need the coat for tomorrow. We're getting that cold air pushing in from the east. Ohio had a couple inches of snow today, and then there's multiple inches of snow falling in New York right now, but we're just looking at that rainfall right now in Connecticut. We're seeing some high country snowfall. Berkshire is picking up some snow at the moment, probably seeing some snow that fell, maybe a coating above 2,000 feet way up there in the northwest hills, but otherwise we're just talking about that rain that's pushing west to east over the course of the evening. So any of that snow that fell across the northwest hills is going to melt instantly tomorrow with a little bit of sunshine, and we'll be looking at temperatures getting into the 40s pretty rapidly. And for tomorrow, we're looking at some isolated showers throughout the afternoon, but overall, we're going to see some sun breaks out there, so not that bad of a day. It is going to be chilly, though, so you need something to keep yourselves warm. And on Tuesday, we're looking at much more sunshine, and with the breeze, it's also going to be a chilly day. And then we'll be looking at some increasing cloud cover on Wednesday. The winds die down. It's going to be more comfortable on Wednesday because we're in the 50s. We're also looking at a dry day on Wednesday. So for most of us, we're probably not going to see any rain on Monday, so that means we got a few days in a row of some dry weather. Looking at wind speeds right now, they're coming out of the southwest, actually pretty strong right now in Bridgeport, 20 mile per hour sustained winds, Groton 17 right now, and our future winds are going to stay pretty stiff. So tomorrow, especially in the afternoon, we're looking at those stiff winds, and then into Tuesday morning, still breezy. Winds start to die down second half of Tuesday, and that'll lead into pretty calm winds once we get into Wednesday. Our temperatures right now are in the 30s across the northwest hills, 50 degrees right now in Groton, 40s elsewhere. We're looking at our temperatures mainly above freezing for tomorrow morning, and then we'll see those temperatures in the 40s for those afternoon highs, as well as seeing some cooler temperatures for Tuesday morning as well. Here's a beautiful picture of a buck from Andrew in Canton earlier today. Lows, we're getting into the 30s along with the rain that's falling right now, breezy outside, and our high temperatures for tomorrow just about 50 degrees, cloudy out there with just a few showers. So look at our 7-day forecast. We got some real nice weather on Wednesday, Thursday. Got the rain showers Thursday night into Friday, and it looks like we'll be starting off with a beautiful weekend Saturday, calm winds, clear skies, and it should be, as of right now, a dry weekend ahead.
All right, thank you, Connor. Our team coverage of storm